Hi, let me quickly show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Nintendo Switch 2nd generation by using recovery mode. So first of all, you have to make sure that your console is completely turned off. And now we have to start from holding 3 buttons at the same time. First of all, we have to hold the volume buttons. They are located right here. The volume up and the volume down at the same time. There we go. And now after 3 seconds of holding volume buttons, you have to just click once on the power key. Now just take a look on the screen. We will get Nintendo logo. Then we will get Switch 2nd generation logo. And we have to keep holding buttons, and now we can release when we are in the recovery mode. So as you can see over here, we've got 2 options. We can restore settings but keep user data, or we can restore factory settings, so we'll delete all data in the system memory. So select one of the following option, and as you can see now, we have to actually click continue. Over here we got information that if we have a Nintendo account, so if we want to reset the system using this method, unlike the standard reset process, we will be not able to eject any loaded virtual game cards. So additionally, the system will remain linked to our account and will be able to use any passes available for associate software. So we have to just click continue over here. There's short information what it does. We have to click continue again. And now if you really want to perform that factory reset, we have to go for this red button and click OK.